Welcome to the second section of learning, or rather introduction to malware analysis. In this section, we will be covering dynamic malware analysis, which is basically a study of behavior. So what will we cover in this section? In this section, we will cover various aspects. The first need is why we need dynamic analysis. We will then look at various aspects of items that are needed in analysis, which is monitoring system changes, analyzing network traffic, detecting those changes, and then also the use of debuggers, which are a key tool when it comes to dynamic analysis. Please note that this is active analysis, or rather it will involve executing the malware. The main tool we will use in this feature will be OllyDbg, which is one of the most common debuggers in the environment. In this video, we will discuss why we need dynamic analysis. We will cover a few things also. The process of covering, or rather the process of performing dynamic analysis. So why do we need dynamic analysis? Just like with people, malware also has behavior. There are certain things it does that ensure we can properly classify it as malicious software. This is what we will call dynamic analysis. It's needed because, again, just like people, you will need to know who are the good guys and who are the bad guys. And in order to do this, you can always tell which people are your friends so that you keep them close, and which people are your enemies so that you keep them closer. So how does this help us? It helps us build defenses when it comes to our particular networks or attack surfaces, and it also helps us write generic signatures for host-based intrusion prevention systems, as well as other security software like antiviruses, anti-malware, and endpoint systems. In order to do this, there are various strategies we can take. The first bit is sandboxing. We're covering a bit of this in the sense that we are running our analysis lab within a virtual machine. So that's an element of sandboxing. You can consider it a safe place. It's like doing paintball shooting as opposed to taking a gun and actually trying to go to war. The next bit is process monitoring. Process monitoring is basically looking out for changes within the running processes in memory. Another thing which is key, especially on Windows systems, is the registry. And we will also look at changes to that, how best to monitor. When it comes to some types of malware like Trojans, botnets, ransomware, there is a bit of network activity in those cases. And we would like to see whether we can see such activity when we're analyzing malware. We will just learn how to use some of these tools, so that if we come across a variant that actually employs this use of networks, we will be able to tell where home is, or rather the command and control center.